Hey, you guys. I am back with another video. I am Latersa, and on this channel, we talk a lot about self-care, hygiene, life advice, and a little bit of everything in between. So any of that intrigues your little mind, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications because I don't want you to miss another episode. If you are a newbie, let me know in the comments, hashtag Sunny Squad with 2 sunshines so that I can give you a proper welcome. I call all of my subscribers on this channel sunshines because I truly believe we do light up the world. So let's jump right into today's topic, shall we? All right, so today we're going to be talking about self-care toolkit for busy women. So listen, it's all about self-care this week. Y'all know I always be telling you guys, it is okay to take some time out for you to care for you. And today I'm going to show you how I create my self-care basket. This is my self-care basket. And the first thing is you can grab a basket from Target, the organizing section. You can go to your local Dollar Tree, whatever you have in your house. You maybe have some of these containers laying around in your house. Well, here's some things that I feel you need to put in your kit. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this hand mask, and this is by Aveeno. I've used the hand mask before and I've used the foot mask. You need to have something that's going to help you take good care of your skin. I have in here face mask, and how you do this, you don't have to buy this stuff. Hold on, let me get it over here. My light is so okay. So this is a brightening bursting energy face mask, and I want to say I got this from either TJ Maxx or Target. It was like 3 in a pack, and all you do is over time grab a little bit here and there. And a lot of times I get a lot of my face masks from like Target, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Walmart. And this is another one. This is a lip mask, and I can't wait to use this week. And it has 3 treatments in there, and you want to make sure you scrubbing your lips, you know, at least once a week, because you don't want all that dead skin that's around your lip. And another thing that you can have are these eye mask under your eye. Y'all know the older you get, this part up under here seems like it just get puffy and puffy. And these are what I love. These are the under eye wrinkle no more, anti-wrinkles, anti-rise, with collagen and lavender. And I love these in a 6 pair. These are just some ideas that you could begin to put in your face mask. This is a vitamin C under eye pad. These are really nice, and I'm gonna try to leave the links below for you guys so that you can, you know, if you don't have them close by you. This one is one of my favorites. This one is the iPad hot and cold, and they look like little avocados, and they are iPads. So I keep this so when I want to do my spa days and all of that. This is an inexpensive way. Here's some more foot masks. This is the coconut and shea butter foot mask. So when you want to do your foot soap, because it's coming up on time for me to do my self-care day. And then I have this little baby right here, which is a facial massager. When I tell you, it makes your face feel real good. And I got this at TJ Maxx. It feels really good on your face, especially when you put it in the refrigerator and you let it get cold. That's a very good way. And when you want to have soak in the bathtub, this is Dove foaming bath soaps, peony rose scent. When I tell y'all, this stuff smells so good. Put like a little half a cup in your bath, and oh honey, it will have you right. When I tell you, it will have you right. And then another thing I have are these little charcoal sheet mask. They're good for picking out little pores in your face. And then I have this Indian healing clay. It's for deep cleansing pores. You can even use this in your bath. Everything that I got, I'm telling you guys, it did not cost an arm and a leg. And like I said, you don't have to get this stuff all at once. When you go shopping, you make your list. Say you're going to pick up one thing for your self-care basket. That could be a face mask, foot mask. That could be a bubble bath. That could be shower gel. It could be a particular lotion or soap that you want. Keep it in your basket so when you want to have your own self-care days at home, you got something already to work with. And I have a facial steamer. I didn't bring that in here. I have a foot spa tub, so when I want to go do my own pedicures. A lot of times you guys are saying, well, I can't afford to go get a pedicure or a facial. Sometimes it can be cheaper for you to do things at home. Y'all know I'm a DIY girl, craft girl. Anytime that I can find a way to save some coins, anytime that I can find a way to do things at home when I feel up to it. Now, I'm not saying you can't go get a pedicure and you can't, that's not what Latersa is saying. What I am saying is that sometimes when you have the energy, you want to do things yourself, it's okay to splurge a little bit. And this is where I came up with my own self-care basket. And I just leave some of this stuff. Like I said, if you missed the last video, my baby girl organized up under my kitchen sink, and she did a great job. And like I said, as time go on, I'm going to be adding more and more things to my self-care basket, because at the end of the day, if you don't take care of you ladies, nobody else is going to do it. You can't sit around and wait for other people to do what you can do for yourself. And sometimes, believe it or not, you are teaching people that you don't really care about yourself because you're always going. You're taking care of everybody else. But hear me when I say, this week, I want you to take some time to pour back into you. I don't care if that's watching an inspirational video on YouTube. I don't care if that's listening to your favorite gospel or R&B. I don't care what it is. Take a walk in the park or walk on a trail. Some of these things I'm going to be doing this week just to replenish and to pour back in me. Because when you are an online influencer, you have everything at you, whether it's good, bad. And then be careful too who you follow, because who you're following, remember, their feed is going to be on your social media, feed. And if it's negativity, guess what? You're feeding yourself. If you ever notice sometime, if you be on social media for hours, because it can take, honey, you can be strolling for hours, and you get off and you feeling depressed or you feeling not, you got to check up on what you're watching, what you're strolling, what you're reading, because at the end of the day, you got to take care of this right here. Your mental, your eye gate, what you're seeing, what you're meditating on, what you're watching on TV, what you're listening to on the radio. All of that stuff plays a very important part of taking care of self. And taking care of self is not selfish. And that's why I always say, growing up as in a Christian Baptist home, it's always looked at that you got to be the one to, especially in the brown skin Black community, women are taught as young girls, you got to do everything. You got to be independent. You got to be where you don't have to depend on nobody. You got to make things happen. You can't wait on somebody else to do it. And that's all great and well. But what they don't tell you is, when are you going to take out time to take care of you? You got to take care of you while you out here taking care of everybody else. So that is my little tip for you guys this week. Build you guys a self-care basket. So that way, when you're feeling frustrated, when you're feeling overwhelmed, do something to pamper yourself. Do something to feed yourself spiritually, mentally. Do something to take care of your body. Because hear me when I say, you only get one life. You only have one life. And when that life is over, it's over. I hope you guys enjoyed today's message. I hope you guys leave me a comment. Tag me on Instagram if you've built your own self-care basket. When I tell you, I love my self-care basket. I can just pick in there, pick out what I want to use and put the rest up. So God bless. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you love this type of content, of course. And make sure you comment in the comment section. I love chatting with you guys. God bless. Mwah.